Hello and welcome to the in-depth series section of Drishti IAS. I am Aisha Singh and in today's video we will be discussing about the shifting of capital in Tanzania. So after a gap of 50 long years, finally the shifting of capital in Tanzania has taken place. So first the point of discussion, first the news, then about the background of Tanzania as a country, then background to Tanzania's capital city relocation from one place to another place, and why was the relocation necessity from this African country, then why has it taken so long of around 50 years period. In the end, a prelims question. This topic is of importance, first of all from paper 1, that is geography, and then also from paper 3. Then the news has been taken from Down to Earth and it says Tanzania has moved its capital from Dar after a 50-year wait, but is Dodoma ready? So from Dar, the capital has been shifted to Dodoma, and this shifting of capital has taken place after a long wait of 50 years. It means 50 years back the decision was taken that the capital would be shifted, but now in 2023 the final shifting of capital has taken place, and this is the national flag of Tanzania. This is how the national flag of Tanzania looks like. Then first of all, the location of Tanzania on map. So Tanzania is an African country and this is the map of African continent, and Tanzania lies in the southern and eastern part. So you can say this is the eastern part and this is the location of Tanzania on Africa's map. So on the southern of it is Mozambique, on the western side is the Democratic Republic of Congo. It also has Lake Victoria, and if we look at the map of Tanzania and zoom it, then this is the map of Tanzania. So the location of Dar es Salaam, which was till now the capital, and now the capital has been shifted to Dodoma. So from this port city of Dar es Salaam, the capital has been shifted to Dodoma, which lies somewhere in the central part of Tanzania. So now about the news. So Tanzania designated Dodoma as its new capital in place of the seaside city of Dar es Salaam. So earlier the capital was Dar es Salaam, but now the capital is Dodoma, and Dar es Salaam is the port city and lies, I'll just again show you. So this is the location of Dar es Salaam, which is a port city and lying on the Indian Ocean, while Dodoma lies at the central portion. And this is following a public referendum 50 years ago. And referendum is a process where the people of the city or people of the country can vote on a particular political question. So what happens in referendum is that the people of the country is given a question and the people can vote whether they are in favor of it or they are against it. So it is the people of the country who can decide what they want. So following a public referendum which took place 50 years ago, the shifting of capital was decided. And now the relocation of parliament in 2017 has taken place, and the inauguration of the new presidential office in Dodoma has taken place in May 2023. So recently in 2023 May, the new presidential office has opened in the new capital, that is Dodoma, and the relocation of parliament was taken place in 2017. But this date is disputed. In many places you will find different dates, but we have taken this dates from Down to Earth. And Dodoma remained the national capital only in name. So till now the shifting of capital, the decision of shifting of capital was taken 50 years back, but till the time 2023 arrived, Dodoma was the capital only in name, but the real capital and the functions of the real capital was performed by the Dar es Salaam. But now the new presidential office has opened in the Dodoma. Now about Tanzania background. So Tanzania is situated just south of the equator. South means, imagine this is equator, it means Tanzania lies at the south of the equator, and it was formed as a sovereign state in the year 1964. So Tanzania was formed as a sovereign state in the year 1964, and it was made after the union of the two separate states of Tanganyika and Zanzibar. So it was Tanganyika plus Zanzibar that equals to Tanzania. So Tanzania was formed after these two separate states combined together. And Dar es Salaam is the largest city of Tanzania and the port city of Tanzania also, and that is why Dar es Salaam holds a very prominent position and a prominent and an important place in Tanzania. Now about the background to Tanzania's capital city relocation, why it was needed. So history of Tanzania's capital city is lengthy and complex, and it stretches back to the German colonial era. So it was the time of Germans when Germans were occupying or annexed the African nations. So Tanzania's capital city was decided by them, and they had their own regions that because of the port that Dar es Salaam had, and because of the economic prosperity of Dar es Salaam and port, and because of the economic value Dar es Salaam held in Tanzania, the Germans thought that Tanzania's Dar es Salaam would be the best option to set as capital. And the advantage of Dar es Salaam's protected harbor, German government chose Dar es Salaam as the capital of German East Africa. So it was the German government which decided the capital of the Tanzania. And the first president of Tanzania, who was Julius Kambarage and Nyerere, announced the planned move from Dar es Salaam to Dodoma in 1973. So it was in the year 1973 that the step or the decision of shifting of capital from Dar es Salaam to Dodoma was taken, but till now in the year 2023 the move was not implemented properly, and Dodoma was the capital only in name. But now in 2023 May, the presidential office has opened in Dodoma, and finally the step of shifting of capital from Dar es Salaam to Dodoma has been implemented. Then Dar es Salaam would continue to serve as the nation's principal port and commercial capital. So it is not that only the capital city of the nation is the commercial capital. There are many other cities also which are the commercial capital. In India also, we will see that the capital is Delhi, but the commercial capital is, you can say, Mumbai is also the commercial capital. So every country, there are many countries which has different cities, but they hold commercial importance. So that would be the case with Dar es Salaam also. And the choice posed a difficult developmental challenge, because when we talk about shifting the capital from one place to another place, it has many challenges, because the shifting of capital, infrastructure, logistics, all the government offices, etc. would take place, and these are not easy things to do. Then government services and resources had to be relocated, and infrastructure had to be built. And this was considered a white elephant project of shifting of capital from Dar es Salaam to Dodoma, because this was thought to be a burdensome project for the government of Tanzania. Then why was the relocation necessary from Dar es Salaam to Dodoma? First and foremost, overcrowding and strain on infrastructure, because Dar es Salaam is a very populous city in Tanzania and has more than 53 lakh people, and is suffering from overcrowding and infrastructure strain. So the strain on the resources in the city is also very much, and to redistribute this stress on the resources, it was thought that the capital should be shifted to some other place. Redistribute pressure on resources. Then uneven development, because the Dar es Salaam was already has a port and the commercial capital, so it was thought that the development should not be restricted to only one place, while it should also be moved to other places also. Tanzania's development was heavily concentrated in Dar es Salaam and other coastal regions. accessibility and national unity, aimed to make it more accessible to all and foster national unity and inclusiveness. So this was also one of the problems, because if you will see that Dodoma is around in central of Tanzania, while Dar es Salaam lies at the seaside at the Indian Ocean and is a coastal city. So that becomes that Dar es Salaam is located at a very extreme location, while to have unity and inclusiveness all around Tanzania, it was needed that the capital city should be somewhere where it should be accessible by all. Then efficiency of government operations, reduce the cost and time associated with travel between Dar es Salaam and other parts of the country for government officials, because from Dar es Salaam to other part of Tanzania, it was becoming very difficult for people to move, because the distance was very much, as Dar es Salaam lies in one part of the Tanzania. Then why has it taken so long? Relocation process has been slow due to a combination of political, economic and logistical factor. Logistical factor being one of the foremost, as shifting of capital from one place to another place requires very heavy resources. Then limited budget, and African nations are not very wealthy nations. They have a limited budget and their economies are struggling. Then infrastructure, including transport systems, water supply and housing to accommodate government workers and residents. Then rapidly rising demand, notably in solid and liquid waste management, education, healthcare and integrated public transport. So in total, you can say that a city has to be planned and developed from scratch, and this needs a lot of resources and capital, which is difficult to manage. Now in the end, a prelims MCQ, and you people need to tell me the answer in the comment section. Who among the following countries have shifted its capital to Lagos? This is not to, this is from. So this becomes, who among the following countries have shifted its capital from Lagos to Abuja in the 1990s? So this is an interesting question. You need to do little bit of research to answer this, but try to solve this question. Indonesia, Tunisia, Libya, Nigeria. Because now the facts are being asked in the prelims examination by UPSC. So try to solve this very interesting question. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Till we meet next time, keep reading and keep writing.